Now, I know you might have heard somewhere that jumping rope is bad for your knees.
Hey, why are you lying to me?
But I'm here to tell you that's not true at all. If done properly, jumping rope won't hurt your knees at all. Stay tuned and you'll not only learn why jumping rope doesn't hurt your knees, but how you can make sure you stay injury free while jumping rope. All of the equipment you see in this video is available down in the links below. Here's why jumping rope properly is not harmful to the knees. To minimize knee injuries when jumping rope, you need to use the correct form first and foremost. When you're first jumping rope, you want to make sure you're jumping rope and landing on both of your feet, bending your knees slightly. As you get more advanced, you can do more one-legged things, but as you're building strength, you want to start out with 2 feet, no special tricks. The knee bend is especially important that you just slightly bend them to absorb some of the shock as you're jumping rope, making sure to not hurt your knees. If you're jumping up and down straight, stiff, you're going to hurt your knees because you're not letting the shock absorption go through your entire body. Before we dive into the next tip, I've got something that'll take your fitness journey to the next level. My book, Jump Into Fitness, is the ultimate guide to transforming your body and mastering the art of jumping rope. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skill, this book will teach you everything you need to know about jumping rope the right way and get real results. Ready to revolutionize your workout? Grab a copy below and start your transformation today. If you jump rope correctly, it's a low impact exercise compared to high impact exercises like running. The continuous rhythmic motion can be gentler on the joints. When you have joint problems or injuries, jumping rope can actually be a more manageable activity than running. Additionally, it reduces injuries, which makes it an excellent option for beginners and advanced people alike. Make sure you're not over jumping.
You're doing too much. Do less. Pop down.
Injuries from overuse can be prevented if you progress slowly with a jump rope workout. Initially, start with shorter sessions and gradually increase their intensity and duration. Jumping rope helps develop the muscles in your legs. Muscles like the quadriceps, hamstring, and calves help support your knees. Knee joints, supported by strong balanced muscles, have a better chance of functioning well. In fact, if you want to learn all the ways that jumping rope helps develop the muscles in your legs, you can check out the link I have below. I have an entire video dedicated to just that. When jumping rope, wearing athletic shoes with proper support and conditioning is recommended. Opt for a shoe with good shock absorption and stability to minimize knee stress and provide optimal foot support during jumps. It is also recommended to wear shoes with a sturdy sole and grip to prevent slipping and tripping. It's also important that shoes are lightweight and flexible in order to provide maximum comfort. Check out the shoes that I'm wearing right here.
Nice shoes, by the way.
They're available down below, and they're the perfect shoe to get started jumping rope safely for your knees. Another way to keep from getting knee injuries from jumping rope is actually considering the surface that you jump rope on. It's a very important way to keep yourself from getting knee injuries amongst other jump rope injuries. Did you know that your knees absorb 3 times your body weight when you jump?
Is that true?
Now, for those who jump rope, knee sleeves are a game changer, and here's why. You can find all the equipment in today's video down below. Now, you might be thinking, knee sleeves? That's for lifters and runners, right? But the truth is, whether you're doing high impact sports or something as dynamic as jumping rope, your knees take the brunt of the work.
Nice to have somebody do all the work for me.
It's not just weightlifters and marathon runners who benefit from knee sleeves. Anybody who wants to protect their joints should wear them, especially when jumping rope. Let's break it down. Your knees absorb a large amount of force each time you jump, land, or rebound.
Absorb.
It doesn't matter how light or advanced you are, without the proper support, this repeated impact can lead to discomfort and injury over time. That's where knee sleeves come in. The compression provided by knee sleeves helps stabilize your knee joints by creating warmth around the knees. They improve blood flow, aiding not only in performance but also recovery. Your knees stay stronger and healthier thanks to the extra support that knee sleeves provide, which relieves some of the strain on your tendons and ligaments.
So what else do they do in?
Knee sleeves aren't just about injury prevention. Wearing them during your workouts can actually help you push yourself further. The extra support helps you feel more confident in your movements, allowing you to try more advanced jump rope techniques without the fear of tweaking your knee or feeling that dreaded soreness after a session. Even after the workout, knee sleeves help with recovery. The warmth and compression promote better blood circulation, reducing muscle stiffness and soreness. Instead of waking up the next day with achy joints, you'll feel fresher and ready for your next session. Truth be told, I've even slept in my knee sleeves if my knees felt like they were really sore.
Are you lying?
No. Now, I've been jumping rope for many years, and I wish I started using knee sleeves sooner. When I first started jumping rope, after long sessions, sometimes my knees got sore and painful, and I would have to stop jumping rope for a period of time and then pick it back up. When I started using knee sleeves, I was able to jump rope longer. I was able to not have to take as many breaks. My knees felt more supported while I was jumping, making me be able to go harder and try more things and try new things.
We're going to try something new, number 7.
Without worrying about soreness. It's a small investment and maybe just a little bit uncomfortable when you first get started, but knee sleeves are going to help you out a lot and they're worth picking up. Now, if you want to make knee sleeves even better, you want to jump rope with them while you're on a jump rope mat, just so you can get another layer of protection. Now, if you want to learn about the jump rope mat that I use all the time, check this video out right here, and I'll give you 4 reasons why you should get one today. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.